Today, I'm going to teach you how to change lines in Lucidchart. This is a really useful skill when you want to customize your diagrams and flowcharts to make them look more professional or match your brand's style guide. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to lucidchart.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your Lucidchart workspace. This step ensures you have full access to all your saved documents and editing features. After logging in, you'll land on your Lucidchart dashboard. From here, navigate to Recent Documents, which shows all the diagrams and flowcharts you've been working on lately. Browse through your recent files and select the document where you want to change the lines. Once you've found it, click Open to launch the editor. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh, you can create a new blank document from the dashboard. This gives you a clean canvas to work with and experiment on line styles without affecting existing work. Now that you're inside the Lucidchart editor, look at the top toolbar. This is where all your formatting and styling options live. Navigate to Line Style and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, showing you various line style options. You might see solid lines, dashed lines, dotted lines, and other patterns. Browse through these options and select your preferred line style. This choice affects how your connecting lines and shapes appear in your diagram, allowing you to differentiate between different types of relationships or processes. Next, stay in that same top toolbar and locate the Line Width option. This setting controls how thick or thin your lines appear on the canvas. Adjust the line width according to your needs. If you're creating a detailed technical diagram, you might prefer thinner lines for clarity. For presentations or high-level overviews, thicker lines can make your diagram more visible and impactful from a distance. With your line style and width configured exactly how you want them, you can now draw lines on your canvas. Simply click and drag to create connections between shapes or elements in your diagram. Every new line you draw will automatically use the style and width settings you just configured, giving your entire document a consistent and polished look. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change and customize lines in Lucidchart, giving you full control over the visual appearance of your diagrams. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.